Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is just a Tik Tok S'mores copycat recipe that I've seen, and I wanted to give it a try myself. So I bought the items that you guys see here. We have the Jet Puff S'mores vanilla marshmallows. These are like the bigger ones because that's what Sky picked out. And then we also have the honey graham crackers, as well as the Hershey's milk chocolate bars and the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. I think that I was supposed to get the longer roll, but I could not find that in our store. This was all that they had, but I think that this is great if you guys cannot find it as well. So I thought to myself that I would be able to take two of the cookies and smash them together and still try and make this cookie. So the first thing I did was put down the graham cracker. Next, the Hershey chocolate bars have about 4 pieces that it can be broken into. So I just broke it the long way into 4 to bake 4 cookies at a time. I placed it on top of the graham cracker, and then I added the marshmallow. What I end up doing with the first batch is doing the big marshmallow you see here. The next batch I decided to cut it in half and see if that would help with the cooking. So I opened up my Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies and put 2 together, smushed it really good, and then placed it on top. You'll then go ahead and smash it down the best that you can, and these did get covered by the cookie once it got into the oven, so that was a good thing. So these are going into the oven on 350. I would say for about 20 minutes, just because you want to just keep eyeballing these and don't let them overcook, and you definitely don't want them to undercook just because they have the cookie dough. So the first batch I eyeballed and tried my best not to let it overcook, and I wanted it to not be undercooked. So I'm breaking it in half to show you guys the gooey on the inside because of the marshmallow and the chocolate. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please be sure to give it a like and also consider hitting the subscribe button down below.